Hi, on the final day of Anuga 2025, we are at Steriflow's stall. With us, we have Edouard Knill. Hi Neil, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
So, how is Anuga, the experience in Anuga 2025?
It's been good. I mean, especially this year, I had many good interviews, many good visitors. I mean, it's been a good show for me.
Okay.
So far.
So, can you please tell me what all machines you are showcasing this time in Anuga?
Steriflow does only retorts. So wherever we go, it's the only thing we always showcase. We specialized in this field in order to maximize our skills there. And Steriflow has been creating a bit more than 50 years ago the process of cascading water, which we believe is the best process for temperature distribution and also energy consumption.
Okay, now I can see you have written below your logo that autoclave, sterilization and pasteurization.
Yes.
Can you please define all of them regarding your machines?
Yes. So the word autoclave just means retorts. So it means a vessel that can withstand pressure and heat inside, so that you can heat up the products to kill the bacteria. Sterilization is a process where you go quite high in temperature. It depends on the products, but generally it's around 120 degrees.
Okay.
And the point is to kill enough bacteria so that you will be able to keep your product for a long time at room temperature. Pasteurization is a lower temperature process, usually between 70 and 90 degrees. So the idea is that it will potentially damage the product a little less, but you will also have a shorter shelf life, and sometimes also you need to keep the product refrigerated afterwards.
Okay. So what are the benefits to customer? I mean, using there are multiple companies who are offering the solutions. What are your plus points over them? Can you please briefly tell us?
First of all, quality. I mean, we've been selling more than 5,000 retorts now, and there are some that are still in operation after 40 years. So if maintenance is right, I mean, we don't even know how long the lifetime of the retort can be. Second, we have a high service level. I mean, we are very customer focused. We seek customer satisfaction. We seek long-term partnerships with our customer. So we are always trying to make them feel safe with our retorts, so that they will not have the impression that maybe the retort tomorrow will break down and we will need several weeks to do something about it. So, and third thing would be the process, as I said, which we invented, cascading water. I said before, it's very good for temperature distribution. If you have a bad temperature distribution, you will have products that might be overcooked, while maybe some will be under sterilized. There will be a huge quality difference amongst the products. So if you want to have a constant, reliable quality, you need to have a good temperature distribution, and with this process you will have the best.
Okay. So can you give me one or two case studies very briefly that your machines has helped your customers and why they are choosing again your products?
There are many case studies that I know of. I can think right now. I can think of one thing. Like, we had a customer who was faithful to one of our competitors, always buying from him. The retorts were also good quality, but the service was not there. And at one point they had a major breakdown, and they did not have the correct reaction from our competitor. They were not our customer, but they reached out to us. Normally we don't work on retorts from the competition, so we just gave advice to the customer. But this advice was enough for him to keep his production going. So a few years later, when he finally needed another retort, he came to us.
Okay. Great. And how are your products? You are making your products sustainable?
We are doing our products in our factory in France. The retorts are 100% built there. And all the equipment on it, like valves, pump, control system and everything, it's all coming from European suppliers.
Okay. My question was how you are making your products sustainable in the sense less impact to the carbon emissions, or how is your production process?
The process is quite long. There are many steps, so maybe I won't go into the details right now, but what I can tell you is that we constantly measure our energy consumptions at our factory, and we every point where we see there is a high need for water, for example, or things like this, we always seek solutions to make that better. For example, recently what we did, we use a lot of water for the water pressure test. We need to test the machines that it's really tight, and that it can resist pressure. So we need to make 8-bar water pressure tests, and for this we have to fill the complete vessel with water. And this water used to be lost, but now we find a way to recycle it and use it for other application afterwards.
That's a great effort. So these are the product lines that you are supplying your machines to, right? So fish products, marine-based products, meat-based products, baby food and vegetables, this and the liquid products obviously.
Yeah.
So this is the total line that you are supplying your machines to.
Actually, there's no real limit. As soon as you need heat treatment and you have a package that can withstand temperature, a retortable package, you can treat almost anything in our machines. We also have business in the pharma industry, for example, and like there are products like hyaluronic acid. We have a few customers who use our retorts to sterilize that.
Great. Thank you for your time. Anything you'd like to add more onto this?
Nothing special. I mean, just maybe that to all the food producers who want to sleep well at night, we are the good choice.
And how is your partnership in India with Katha Foods? Any word for
It's
them?
been always very satisfying. I mean, the people from Katha Food, they are very committed. They also have the same goal as us. That's bringing satisfaction and and serenity to the customers. So that's also their view of doing things, and they also supply local service, because now we've been working for many years with them, and they know our retorts very well. So they are able to supply local service. They do it very well, and yeah, we are very satisfied with this partnership.
Great, Edouard. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.